Northwest is one lucky girl as she showed off her seriously impressive closet and incredible designer handbag collection in a new video. Northwest, 8, is seriously following in her mother's footsteps, and she proved that when she showed off her seriously impressive closet. North posted a video of herself giving a house tour while going live on TikTok, and then she posted another video of her closet, showing off all of the purses in her closet. In the video, North pans over all of the shelves in her closet, showing off her bags. Some of the designers featured in her closet include Louis Vuitton, Fendi, Hermes, and Balenciaga, just to name a few. Not to mention, she had a large assortment of bedazzled Judith Leiber clutches in the shape of a teddy bear, a Cinderalla carriage, a pizza, and even a donut. The shelves are stocked with designer purses, and there are so many, that the shelves go all the way up to her ceiling, and each shelf is completely packed. The total price of all of North's bags would cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, especially considering that the pizza clutch alone costs a whopping $5,700. Related gallery. Star kids with super expensive wardrobes, pictures of Northwest and more. While we don't know for sure if the bags were hand-me-downs from her mom or were bought specifically for North, we're not surprised that she has such an impressive collection, considering her parents, Kim Kardashian and Kanye West, are both fashion icons. Since North was a baby, she has always been decked out in cool and stylish designer clothes, which she always accessorizes with a cute luxury bag.